I'm eating some pizza and I thought I would take you to pack with me for a trip to Utah, and then from Utah I go to California. I always say that I am Noah's personal chef, and this is the longest I've ever left him during a summer, I think. He has a crazy work schedule, so he really doesn't make time to cook for himself, so I am making him some meals that are gonna go in the fridge so he can just pull them out, heat them up in the microwave while I'm gone. Got some jalapeno cheese bread. You can't really see it through there, but that's cooking right now. And then I have some leftover pizza with spinach that I am going to put in some bags. He eats it cold, so he likes it in the refrigerator. And then last night I made fajitas and there was like one leftover serving, so he can have that too. And then I stocked up on ramen and got him some green onions, some seaweed, and we have eggs. So I thought that he could have ramen and then spice it up a little bit, so he's actually getting some nutrients. No, just the husband survival guide. But I need to clean this up, do my hair, and then I'll get back to you when I'm packing. Okay, time to really start packing. I thought I would just start by showing you the outfits that I have planned out for this trip. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. So this is one of them. Just a white shirt with my Madewell jeans. These Madewell jeans are a staple for me. I wear them, like, I feel like with everything. I'm also going to wear it with this shirt from Abercrombie and Fitch. Very seamless look. And I think on that day, I'm going to wear this hat with it. I was looking up Pinterest photos of outfit ideas for Monterey, and there was a really cute picture of a girl wearing a hat. So I was like, I think I can recreate that. I've got these shorts. They're just the Old Navy OG loose mid-rise shorts. They're like my favorite shorts. I call them my cool girl shorts because I just feel very cool when I wear them. I wear that with this shirt. This is also Old Navy. I have it in like a cream too, but I figured I should add some color in because everything else is like white and gray. I feel like 65 to 70 is like shorts and a long sleeve or short sleeve and pants weather. So I'm going to throw this just like a white kind of relaxed dress shirt. I'm gonna put that on over it. I think it's from H&M. I'm bringing these two sweatshirts. This one is from my husband's company's name on it there, but I love the color and the fit is really good. I'm just like cutting my head off this entire time. And then this actually comes from a set. These are actually the pants. I wear them to bed all the time and I'm probably gonna pack them. Pullover, the quarter zip. I think that will be really cute if I'm feeling a little bit cold, just throw that on. And then I'm packing for my cousin's wedding at the same time. So she's having like a rehearsal dinner on Friday night, and then the wedding is on Saturday. And so Friday night I needed an outfit, and that's what I ended up getting from Target. So it's like this cute sweater vest, and then it comes with a matching skirt, and this is literally so comfortable. I'm gonna wear that as my outfit for the rehearsal dinner, and then the days in Monterey I can wear it with these shorts and the top. And if it's a little bit too cold, I'm also going to pack this just basic long sleeve white shirt to go under. I think that's mostly it. Tons of socks. And then I was just talking to my dad. You're probably seeing the mess up here. I was talking to my dad and I asked if he wanted to go on a run with me because I feel like runs in Monterey would be beautiful. So here are my outfits for running. Also forgot I bought this like head scarf, and so I think I'm gonna take this. I think it's kind of cute and it fits the vibe. I'm loving that I literally have a color palette that I'm following for this trip. The only thing ruining it is this set right here. So I have all of my outfits packed, socks, sports bras, and I need to pack my actual bras and underwear, pajamas, and shoes. And I literally only have this carry-on, so gotta make use of this little bit of space left. Usually I'm a pro packer, so I think I can make it work. Little change of plans. I was watching back those videos and hated how I was looking in this bodysuit. And I don't want to be worried about feeling like I'm looking good when I'm on vacation with my family. So switching it up, still puff sleeves, still white, it's the same idea, just different neckline and not as tight. So there is my replacement. Just thought that I would update y'all. Okay, so I got all of my outfits and underwear there. Socks, more underwear. And then these are my pajamas. I just got grass everywhere with my shoes. These are my wedding shoes. These are my Tevas and just another sandal. And then I know these aren't optimal to wear to the airport, but I can get them off really fast, and I'm sure I'll be early enough that I won't be stressed about getting them back on. And then I just washed these this morning because I went on a run and got them so muddy. So they're still wet, which is why I haven't packed them away yet. But I think I should be able to fit them in there. So time to move on to the backpack. Deodorant, makeup, toothbrush, brush, cotton pads. And then in here we've got shampoo, conditioner, sunscreen, makeup remover, perfume, and then I need to put my Aquaphor in there. Okay, in back pouch we have personal training notebook. These are my 2 books right now. I have like 100 pages left in this one, so I think I'll finish that if I get time to read on the plane. And then this one I just got. It actually takes place in Monterey, and we love Steinbeck, so it's pretty short. At the very least, I'll be able to get started with it while I'm there, so I'm kind of excited about that. And then we have my iPad, and my cousin asked me to make the wedding like slideshow for the rehearsal dinner. I'm about 2/3 of the way done with it, and it's taken me like 6 hours so far, so I need to get on that and finish it today, preferably in the next couple hours. So that's what I'm gonna work on now because I'm pretty much packed. Okay, you guys, it's been hours. I finally finished my cousin's video. I had a moment of panic where I realized she probably wants this done today so she can watch it before tomorrow when it's going to get played. But everything is packed. My flight got delayed 3 hours, which actually ended up being a godsend because I was able to finish everything I needed to. The only thing I didn't get around to was studying personal training, which I really wanted to do with my textbook before I leave, but it's okay. I have an online textbook. I'm going to take good notes and then come back and mark it once I'm home, so nothing to worry about. I'll show you what I've got. So I added chargers and my ID to there. All of this you already saw. I fit my Hokas in there. They're still a little bit damp, but I wouldn't call them wet anymore. They just barely fit. Noah gets back to drive me to the airport in, I want to say like 45 minutes.
I'm so excited for what the future holds for you. Miss Babs, a little bit crazy, a little bit, we say weird, but we...
Good morning. It is August 12th, which is my cousin's wedding day. I've been in Utah for like a day and a half, and not even a day and a half. I got in at 1 a.m., I guess technically Friday morning, and then now it's Saturday. I have been awful at recording. Yesterday, my mom and I went to Target. We just hung out all day. I could not stop talking, so I just did not even pull out the camera. I think I got a couple clips from the dinner, but that's it. We had the wedding dinner last night, and it was so cute. Everybody like gave their speech about Nick and Casey and told their memories. It was at a Chinese food place. And then today is kind of a crazy day. Right now, everybody's getting ready over at Casey's house from 9 to 11. I didn't have a mirror to bring over there, and I don't have a car. So I'm just going to go drop by for like 30 minutes. Then we go to the temple for their sealing, and that we have to get there at 12:30. And then after that, we take pictures outside the temple. And then at 5, I'm going to go help them set up the reception. And then at 6:45 is the ring ceremony, which is more of your like traditional wedding ceremony. And then there's the reception until I think 9:30. So big, long, busy day. I'll try to get clips. I promised a wedding video, so I need to keep myself accountable. Okay, my hair is stressing me out because I'm not liking how it's looking, but I need to go do my drop by. So I'm taking my dad's car. I'll figure it out when I get back.
Oh,
On
thought
our
maybe
way.
you were filming.
Decided to stop at, oh, there's no sign out front. Stop at Freddy's for lunch. It's already 3 something, so I have to, no, it's already 4. So I have to get back to the reception space in an hour. Okay, quick little maybe 20 minutes at home, and now I've got to head over to the reception spot to help set up and rehearse again. I have this big, huge, I think it's a bug bite on my back, and it is so painful. It's like hard and feels like a bruise. So I've just been sitting on the couch icing that, and then time got away with me and I didn't realize that I need to be gone 2 minutes ago. Sorry, Christian. At the reception venue, set up all the tables. I'm waiting for my parents to get here so I can play the video I made. And then we get started with the ceremony.